Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Olivetti PR2 Plus Passbook printer driver in a Windows 10 or any other Windows PC or laptop. Example as Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10, any Windows operating system. So let's go to the upward video. First, go to the start. Here type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, we find last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you're using serial cable or the serial cable, then use COM1, and if you're using any other cable, example as USB, then go to the USB. Select USB or COM4 depending on your cable you attach. I attach USB, so select USB. I select USB. You can also select COM1. If you select, you use serial cable. I use USB, so I select USB 001. You can select USB 001, 002, 003, any available USB, and click on the next. Here in a manufacturer, select generic. In a printers list, select generic text only. Select these two options and click on the next. Here we find two options. Use current printer. I already installed that printer, so I select use the current driver and click on the next. Here give any printer name that you like. I give Olivetti PR2 Plus. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It is install our printer. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on finish. Next step is we check the out printer. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Olivetti PR2 Plus, then click on that printer. Here we find many options. Go to the manage. In a manage, go to the printer properties. Go to the printer properties. In a printer properties, I center it. In a printer properties, here we find device settings. Go to the device settings and change it to the any size that you want. I go to the this size. You can select any size that you want depending on your software or your printing preferences. I select this. Click on the apply. After that, if you want to change it again, then go to the journal. In a preferences, go to the preferences. In a preferences, I center it. In preferences, if you want to orientation, change orientation, then change orientation from here, landscape or portrait. And if you want to change paper size, then go to the advanced, and here we find the paper size. Change it to the size that you want. I go with my default size or my software size or my paper size depending on your printing preferences. Okay, click on that. Select that size and click on OK. Click on apply. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. And after that, restart your PC and laptop or PC and the printer, and your printer is 110% work in the any Windows operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.